A 16-inch wheel rotates 800 times per kilometer, nearly double a standard road bike. Yet this mechanical disadvantage might actually be your biggest touring asset. Many cyclists dismiss small wheels due to rolling resistance, but they ignore the center of gravity physics. A loaded 700c touring bike suffers from frame flex and tail wag because the panniers sit high above the axles. On a folding bike, the load sits closer to the ground, drastically reducing the moment arm acting on the frame. This creates superior handling stability under load, provided you balance the weight distribution correctly. However, gearing is where most setups fail. Because the wheel diameter is small, standard chainrings result in incredibly low development. To achieve a climbing gear effective for touring, you must calculate gear inches carefully. The second engineering constraint is thermodynamics and wear. A 16-inch wheel experiences 40% more rotations than a 700c wheel over the same distance. This generates more heat and wears rubber significantly faster. You cannot run racing tires here. You need high-density compounds like the Schwalbe Marathon to offset the rotation frequency. If you respect the 110 kilogram system weight limit to protect the main hinge, a folder isn't just a toy. It's the most logistically efficient touring machine modeled. Optimize your tour for logistics, not just velocity.